Yo, what's going on guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you 3 unused / unknown features that you can use in GTA Online. The first one is in your auto garage. If you go to the corner near the tables by the stairs, as you can see, you can pick up some snacks for free. Just save you a couple of dollars and a trip to the store. For the second feature, if you ever get your vehicle impounded by the cops, all you got to do is call your assistant, like I'm doing right now, and for $1,000 you can get it retrieved for you and delivered to you. It's more expensive than going to yourself, but if you're top of the map, it just saves you a bit of time and effort. For the final trick is to kill someone while they're ghosted to you. I've currently got this little tryharding ghost. All you got to do is bring up your phone, call Lester, and set a $1,000 bounty on them. And once that goes through, you are able to just kill them again. Simple as that. But yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.